in my DeLorean. War's over, I'm a peacetime Mandalorian. The story is stumped, Star Wars historians deep in debate, Buffet play at Ben against Rhyme Renegade, should I penetrate first and second offense? I won't hesitate. Got a job to do, endorse the other delegates. Got something against Skywalker, someone he really hates. I don't give a. I'm after Solo, for all I carry. Could be hiding at Yoda's dojo. Gotta make the money, credit's no good when a Jawa's running shop in your neighborhood. Think you can cook? I got a grappling hook. Let's make this quick, cause I'm really booked. I'm a devious degenerate defender of the devil. Shut down all the trash compactors on the detention level. My backpacks got jets. Well, I'm Boba Fett. Well, I bounty hunt for Java Hut to finance my vet. Well, I chill in deep space. A mask is over my face. Well, I deliver the prize, but I still narrow my eyes, cause my time I don't like to waste. Get down! I'm a question, rap inside Enigma. Get inside a slave one, find your home and signal. From Endor to Heart, Ripley to Spock. I'll find what you want, but there's gonna be a cost. Say my name is Boba Fett, I know what you say. Son acting right, yo, frozen a carbonite. Got telescopic sight, flamethrowers on my wrist. You still don't get the gist, spike boots are made to kick. Targets are made to hit. You think I give it? Your mama is a bitch. I see you in the Sarlacc pit. You just flip my switch, integrity's been dead. You scratching on my itch. You know I shoot the gift. I got Fabinas and Catinas way to lick my lusty lips. So I'll let you get back inside your little spaceship. Give you a head start, cause I'm a sporting con. Consider the starting line a sneaky smile, hide inside. Hope you have hyper drive. Pray to stay alive, but try to slip me five, cause I never take a bribe. To the beat of a different drummer, baddest funny how to let no man put us under, or else they be put under as in 6 feet. Got an imperial fleet backing me up, gonna blow up any attempt to defeat. They got a Death Star, got full payments on my car, handed over to Hammerhead. At most I see bar, used to carjack, he's a bar back. Just go to show how you can get back on the right track. As for me, that's not an option, can't say that with more clarity. Me going legit would be like Jar Jar in speech therapy. My backpacks got jets. Well, I'm Boba Fett. Well, I bounty hunt for Java Hut to finance my vet. Well, I chill in deep space. A mask is over my face. Well, I deliver the prize, but I still narrow my eyes, cause my time I don't like to waste. Place it open like a tom-tom, faster than the Autobahn or a motorbike can try and do the deed, I'm then I'm gone. Java has a hissy fit, contact currency in, overcoat the plan on social politic, it's legit. Back in the day when I was a slave, living life in a fast lane like in a pod race. Mean streak tweaked, I became a basket case, so the space age, put that place post haze. Took up a number cars, called a Clone Wars. Life's not all about girls and cars. Getting been bossy, I'm not a retard. Okay, like the barge, I'm large and in charge with a face so scarred. A cold black heart that's been torn apart. The Sith wish that they had it so hard, cause it's long ago when I'm far. Call me master, cause I'm faster to pry on far. I no longer have to hot wire. I'm a hunter for hire with no plans to retire, and all the sucker MCs can't call me star. My backpacks got jets. Well, I'm Boba Fett. Well, I bounty hunt for Java Hut to finance my vet. Well, I chill in deep space. A mask is over my face. Well, I deliver the prize, but I still narrow my eyes, cause my time I don't like to waste. Get down!
Vroom, 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 vroom. Oh, what are you?